So for this problem, I went ahead and wrote it out, and I'm just going to take you step by step. So I first put in what all the constants are, and approximately the rate of gravity is negative 10 to meters per second squared, so that's what our acceleration is going to be. So over here we have the formulas that we can use for this problem. So we're first going to start off by trying to find what the time would be of this projectile. So we have v of y equals 96, which is our initial y, minus 10t. And when we solve for t, we get that t is 9.6 seconds at this y. So plugging in that t to this bigger problem, we have that the initial y initial, so the starting point is here, is 20 plus 96. 96 is that v of y times the time, which is 9.6, minus, so it's 1/2 of the acceleration, so minus 5 times 9.6 squared. So when we simplify this, we have 20 plus 92 minus 460, which gives us approximately 480 meters, which the answer in this case would be answer B, since it's closest to 480 meters.